see this way is a little bit better. Alright. Look at the sign. Hold on, I'm gonna stop for you. Nope. It's proving me to be a liar again. No, wait, see, look at it. Let's see. See that? Can you? Whoa. Messed up. No, it's actually wet. Now show you up there. Yep. But you can see it. There's like so many tomatoes. And a day now, light. Hello, me. How's it going? Oh. Hopefully I can show you all this. Oh yeah, we don't have mailboxes in here. You see that black thing? That's your mailbox. It's weird. And look how close the houses are. See how close? Like right beside each other. All the way down there is where Scott works. I'll show you when I pass it, but I'm super slow, so you gotta give me a minute. Look at the trees. Oh, it hit me in the eye. Whoa. See how old the houses are too? I mean, just look at it. By the way, you have like double neighbors. Okay? The bottom house is where one person lives and the top house is where another person lives. Or you can get screwed and have 3 people. Do I want that bin? No, it's broken. Walk away. Look at it. See if I can. Oh, look at these trees. See if I'm moving. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna get my thumb out. See if back, yep. Okay. Yeah, this is the woods. Many woods. So look at it. You should feel special. You're actually getting a whole video of me walking home. Don't stalk me. Oh. No! Ugh. Walk, dude. Okay. Alright, see that sign? That's where Scott lives. This is like the mini thrift shop, which is never open. Ever. Except for 2 days out of the week, which is gay. See? That's where Scott works. Look how awesome the door is. It's beautiful. See the balls on it? I don't know if you can see inside of it. Nope, you can't. Whoa. Oh yeah, that down there. That's like a basement on the sidewalk. It's cool. Almost there. Wish I could. Can I? Yep. Hold on. Dude, that bird! He flew down! Hold on. Okay. Almost there. That tree right there, all the way down there, that's where we're going. Let's get a view. He had to fly back. Wind pushed him away. Like a mouse. That's ice. Ice is also known as, aka, the dick. Why? Because you fall on it. See? It's retarded. And that crappy tree is super close where we're getting. And that guy's a retard. See him on the ladder? He's working on a ladder and it's straight line winds. Dumbass. Oh, we're home. No, that's not our home. It's, you know, not that awesome with all them trees. But it is awesome. This is it. With a shopping cart. Be jelly. Okay. Later, noob.